In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and connect payment methods to your Wix website. Having a seamless payment system is key for any online business. So whether you're selling products or services, this guide is crafted to help you manage transactions smoothly. Let's dive right in and walk through these steps together. First, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Open up your browser and head to the Wix website. Use your login credentials to access your account. This is where all the magic begins, enabling you to manage your website's functionalities efficiently. Once you're logged in, look for your existing site on the dashboard. It's usually the first one that pops up if you have multiple sites. Click on it, and you'll be transported to your site's main control area, ready for you to make any necessary adjustments. Now, when you're in your site's dashboard, you need to go to the settings. You'll find this in the left sidebar. Clicking on Settings will reveal all the options you have to configure different aspects of your website. This is where you can customize your site to suit your business needs. Inside Settings, the next thing you'll do is select Accept Payments. This section is vital as it allows you to choose how you want to receive payments from your customers. Ensuring this is set up correctly is crucial for smooth financial transactions. Here, it's time to connect your preferred payment options. Wix supports a variety of popular methods such as PayPal, Stripe, and Square, which makes things quite flexible for both you and your customers. You simply select the payment methods you wish to offer from the list. Each option will require you to provide some information, like account details, for integration purposes. Make sure all the details are correct to avoid any payment disruptions. After setting up your payment options, it's crucial to configure your bank account information for payouts. You'll need to enter this so that when customers purchase from your site, payments can be transferred directly to your bank account. Typically, this involves providing your bank details, like routing number and account number. Ensure accuracy here to facilitate smooth transfers. Once you've confirmed that your payment methods are connected and tested to ensure they're functioning correctly, head to the top right side of the Wix interface and click Publish. This action updates your live site with the new payment settings, making it ready to handle transactions. And there you have it, a fully set up payment system on your Wix website. By following these steps, you can offer your customers a seamless and secure shopping experience. Thank you for tuning in, and happy selling with your Wix site.